a 2002 Ford F-150 Super Crew, and we have an air intake manifold to head leak. Pretty positive of that because when I was spraying starting fluid right around the number 7 right back there, I was seeing long-term field trim on bank 2 rise, but the reason, I mean not rise, but go down. It was at 22. I sprayed it right there, and it went down to 9%. And my coils are good, my injectors are good, compression's good. Also, I sprayed all up and around here. I sprayed. There's a little spot down there. There's a spot all along these vacuum lines over here. Like right here, there's a spot. Right there, there's a spot. Right here, there. Right up under here. Anyway, none of that was raising the RPM or making the long-term field trim on bank 2 go down. So I knew that there was a vacuum leak or an air intake leak of some sort, and I knew it was after this point because this point is kind of where it splits, and that's when it'll make the long-term for bank 1 or bank 2. And my bank 2 was for sure reading high. It should read 0 on the long-term field trim, so pretty positive about it.